Welcome to the Beaconstack tutorial series. In this video, you will learn what is retargeting, what is Facebook Pixel, how does Facebook Pixel work, and how you can integrate Facebook Pixel with your Beaconstack campaigns. Retargeting is a method of advertising aimed at the section of potential buyers who have already visited the website or store and have been exposed to the brand at least once. On average, retargeting ads receive 10 times higher click-through rates since they are more relatable and familiar to the audience. Pixel retargeting involves placing a pixel, which is essentially a small piece of code, on a website or campaign. When the user visits this pixel-enabled campaign, they will be cookied and recognized as part of an audience. This visitor information can then be stored on Facebook. Online retargeting is a very common practice. However, with Beacon campaigns, marketers are now able to retarget customers who visit the physical store as well. Here at Beaconstack, we offer the ability to insert your Facebook Pixel within your Markdown card. This is the sequence we will follow in this video. To start the process of retargeting, you need to create a pixel. Head to the Add Campaigns section of your Facebook account. Click on Pixels under Events Manager. Create a new pixel under the respective name, and you will receive a pixel ID. Copy your pixel ID. Now head to the Markdown card section of your Beaconstack dashboard. Select the Markdown card you want to attach this pixel to. Scroll down to the Tracking section and paste your pixel code. Now select the type of event that you want to track. An event is basically an action taken by your audience, such as a lead. Use this to categorize the audience that enters your physical store and visits your Markdown card. Hit Save. Next, go back to your Facebook Ads Manager and create an audience which only includes users that have been recognized through the pixel. Go to Audiences and create a custom audience. Choose Website Traffic. Attach this audience to the pixel that you just created. Let's name this Beacon Audience. You will have to wait for this audience to grow to a minimum size of 20 before you can retarget them through a Facebook campaign. So you need to make sure that you deploy your beacons and broadcast the Markdown card. If this is your first time advertising with Facebook, you will need to create an ad campaign. Start by creating your Facebook business page. Next, head to your Ads Manager and create an ad. The first step is to select your marketing objective and then set up your ad account. You can now create your ad set. This is where you will have to attach your audience to your pixel. Once your audience has grown beyond a size of 20, you will be able to select it. Let's choose Beacon Audience and select all the preferences for the ad set. The last step is to make an ad creative. Give it a name and attach it to your business page. Make your ad creative by adding images or videos coupled with engaging captions. Make sure you add a relevant call to action as well. Finally, set up the payment process. If you've already created an ad campaign, you can edit the audience and attach your Pixel audience instead. You can use Facebook to track analytics related to your Pixel audience. Head to Pixels under Events Manager and select the Details button on the right-hand side. Next, select View Analytics. Here, you can gather useful information about your store visitors. That's it. Your Facebook advertisement will now retarget people who have already entered your store and visited your markdown card.